Hi. So one of the things we're talking about this week are counting objects. And the objects we're going to use are these cubes. I brought a lot of these cubes home from our classroom in the Ziploc so we could do different things with them. If you remember when we've counted objects before, we scoot them over because it's hard if you start counting things like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I get confused. I can't remember. Did I count this one or not? So the easiest way to do it is move them over as you count. So count with me as I count these objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I set a number every time I picked one up and I moved them over. I set a number. And I know the last number I said was 15. So I have 15 cubes here. There's another thing we can do when we're counting, and we can count them into groups. Let's try groups of 5 and see what happens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to start over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to start one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 1, 2, 3 groups that have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each one. But how many did I say I had in all? Do you remember? It wasn't just 5 because this is 5, right? But what about all of these? Do you remember when we counted all of them, how many I had? 15. Let's do it one more time and watch as I move them to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 15 cubes. Now you probably don't have cubes at your house. You might, but you probably don't. But you can count anything. You can count pieces of cereal. You can count spoons in the drawer. You can count socks as you help do laundry. You could count toys. There are all kinds of things you can use to count, but I want you to find some things and practice counting. And as you count, I want you to move them to the side and you say a number each time you move the object that you are counting. Move them over and count. Enjoy counting.